I'm back! Hello everybody and welcome back to the channel. Today we are making a mini chips inspired squishy. Now the way that I did this was I took a plastic bag, I filled it to the absolute brim with toy stuffing and then just sellotaped the top of it down. This was a grip seal bag, so I was able to trap the air in by just using the grip seal bit and then just taping it over, so that worked out well. But if you don't have a grip seal bag, I would recommend just an airtight plastic bag that maybe you get off the packaging or something else, reusing what you already have and just filling that with polyfill or just any other squishy soft material that you have kicking around, and then just taping it shut, making sure that it's nice and densely stuffed. So this bag made the base of my squishy, and what I went ahead and did here was painted on the design. So I just mixed up my usual squishy paint mixture, which is acrylic paint mixed with fabric medium at a 50-50 ratio, and then 50-50 ratio for that mixed in with PVA glue just to make it go a little bit further and still remain flexible. So I painted on a base layer of pink. I then went in with a nice blue colour down the bottom. I don't know, I was just doing whatever colours came naturally to me. I am going to be doing another couple of designs of these because I have some in my head now. This was so easy to make and worked out so well that I'm just like, yes, okay, ideas are flowing through my brain. Once I had the base colours on there, I went on and painted on some details using acrylic paint marker. These are my ones from Ohuhu. I always link them down in the description of the YouTube videos that I film, so if you're interested in looking at which ones that I purchase and use in my videos, then those links are always down below. I did think that I was only going to be having the chips logo at the top, and I thought that was going to suffice it. In my head it looked like enough, but I was like, no, I need a cute little character on here. I was going to put the face originally on the actual chips bag, and I think actually that could work out really well, but I thought if I paint on a little crisp, then putting a little face on that would be adorable. I feel like it almost looks like a potato, and I suppose it was supposed to be a potato chip, like almost like a Walker's crisp or a Lay's if you're in America. Let me know, in your country, is it a Walker's, is it Lay's, or are they something else? I found when I went to America for the first time, I was like, what is going on? It was like a whole new universe out there. But anyway, once I had all of the details on there, like the little bit of text, a little bit of sparkles, and the little chip guy, what I then went ahead and did was took some cling film again just to coat the whole thing to protect all of that design on there, so that when I squish it, it doesn't obviously rub off over time. With this final layer, you want to make sure it's on as neat as possible, so just get it nice and tight to your squishy, taping it down as you go. You also want to stab your whole piece if you are making this as well to increase the airflow. So I just stabbed mine with a needle on the back loads of times so that I could obviously squish it and the air can blow in and out. So it's that time of the video again where I give a real-time review of the squishy. Now we've got it in its final layer of cling film. It's not good, the best on the back, but you know, around here we don't worry about the back, we worry about the front of it. So the chip itself, look at that little face, looks like a little potato on there. I think this turned out so nicely, and squishiness wise of it, again, it's okay. I think the fact that I didn't cover it in cling film to begin with, I just painted straight on the back, it actually worked out really well. That is turned out rather nicely actually. I'm thrilled with that. That's worked out really well, much better than what I thought. I think also you could do so many different designs of this. Like imagine a little Cheeto bag. I'm going to make a Cheeto bag. That's going to be my next video. I'm going to show you how to paint it up like a little Cheeto. Or maybe even make a little Cheeto, like a jumbo one as well. I don't know, but I feel like I need a Cheeto bag to match this. So if you want to see that, then stay tuned. If you have any requests for any future squishy videos, then please do leave them down in the comments. I will give you a shout out if I make it based off of your comment. But anyway, hopefully you enjoyed today's video. Thank you so much for hanging out, and I'll see you very soon for another one. Bye.